Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials right. Open Telegram and confirm auto-download and storage permissions so files save without interruptions. Next, search public channels or movie bots using clear keywords and check file details, container, resolution, and size so you don't waste bandwidth. Once done, choose Wi-Fi over cellular and clear enough storage. This prevents failed transfers. You're setting the environment to ensure downloads proceed smoothly, and playback won't stutter or be blocked by missing codecs. You now perform the core actions. Tap the movie file or stream link and watch the progress indicator inside the chat. If the built-in player works, start playback immediately. If not, long press the file, choose Share or Open With, and select VLC for broader format support. Make sure subtitles are present, download an SRT file and load it, or select Telegram subtitle track. Also, adjust playback speed and audio track if needed so the viewing experience matches your preferences and device capability. You finish by managing files. Delete or archive large movie files once watched, or back them up to cloud storage to save device space. If playback stalls or won't start, first clear Telegram cache, force close and reopen the app, and if needed re-download the file. That often fixes partial downloads and corrupted streams. For codec or format errors, open the file in VLC or convert it on your computer before sending it back to your device. This troubleshooting flow resolves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.